Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your simple flip-flop slippers from something like this to a simple crochet slippers like this. I'm going to start by showing you how you can knit the top of these slippers. We're going to start by tying a slip knot. So we'll make up to 80 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 80 chains now on the hook. We are going to start making single crochet through all the chains. So we are going to do 39 first, then we make increase in the 40th chain. So you insert your hook, yarn over and pull through two. So you keep making one single crochet in each of this loop. We have 3 now. 4, 5, 9, 10, 38, 39. This is the 40th chain. So we are going to do 2 single crochet in that chain, 1 and 2. So after the second single crochet, we'll just insert our stitch marker right there. So we'll continue with 1 single crochet to the end. So at the end, make chain 1 and turn. We have already made the normal single crochet, so now we are going to start another single crochet on top of the initial single crochet that we have made. We are going to be inserting our crochet hook inside these loops, not the upper loop but the down loop. So you insert your crochet hook here and make 1 single crochet. This is the next loop down. So keep knitting the single crochet. We are going to meet in the middle where we make an increase. So when we come to the middle, you remove the stitch marker and make 2 single crochet in the same spot. When you are done, you continue. Insert the stitch marker back after the increase. Keep repeating the same to the end. So at the end of the row, make chain 1 and turn. So the next thing we'll start doing is just to do the normal single crochet again from here. We are not going to go with the down loop again. We will start with the up loop, with the normal loop here. So you do your normal single crochet on this row to the end. When you come to the middle, you do the increase. Make 2 single crochet in the same spot where we put the stitch marker and keep doing single crochet to the end. So at the end of the 3rd row, chain 1 and turn. We are going to repeat what we did on the 2nd row here again. So on the back loops, you keep inserting and making 1 single crochet in order to double the strength of the row. So you keep repeating the same thing. When you come to the middle, you do the increase and repeat the same to the end of the row. So after the last one, make chain 1 and turn. So as you can see, we have already done 2. We have 1, 2, 3, and so we have done 1 to remain 1 more row of the double single crochet. So what we are going to do now is to repeat what we did on row 3 and 4 in row 5 and 6. So the last thing you do now is to make another row of single crochet. On this row, just make 1 row of single crochet with the increase in the middle to the end. Then at the end of it, after you are done, make chain 1, turn back and double it, and that will be all for this side. So at the end of the 6th row, we'll cut off our yarn. So we are going to do this part. Insert your hook here. Use 5 loops here in the middle, chain 1 and turn. This time around, you just keep doing the normal single crochet, no need of doubling. So at the end, I knitted 16 rows. So we'll cut off our yarn and we are done with this side. So we'll keep this one aside. The next thing we'll do is to cut off the handles of the slippers. The next thing we are going to do is you carry the flip-flop, place it on top of the marco. Use your pen and draw. Just take your scissors and cut through. Follow the line you made and cut it round. After cutting it round, carry your ruler. This is 5 and this is 6. So just keep making the mark round. Or you can just put your finger like this. You can see how I place it this way and keep marking. It's the same thing with the 0.06. We started from here. So I will use my X-Acto knife. Just follow it and cut out carefully. We'll now apply glue. So we'll let it dry. It's dried now. You know when it is dry, it's not going to be sticky to your hand again. And so I apply glue on both the front part and the back. So we're going to turn it this way and we'll just attach it carefully. So you place it on the leather you're going to use and just leave a little space and cut it. We also apply glue by the side of the flip-flop. So now that the gum is dried, it's no longer sticky to the hand, and the one I applied here is also dry. We are now going to, you turn it like this. We are going to carefully place this one, the excess leather, on the side of the flip-flops. After wrapping it round with glue like this, we are going to cut out the excess leather behind. We are going to punch that place, this hole behind the head of the slippers, and here. Measure 3 centimeters and cut. We are going to attach this sole now to it. So let the two dry before we join it together. Now that it has dried, as you can see, it's not sticking to my hand again. So we are going to carefully place it on top of this one here. I'm going to use the X-Acto knife and cut the excess. So friends, if you love this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So thank you so much for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.